Well, please.
Say hello. Connor, say hello.
Well.
Say who is it?
Well.
Say who is it? Talk on the phone. You hung up. Who's that? That Daddy?
Hey.
Say hi, Daddy. Talk to Daddy. Hello? Hello? Hey, Connor called you. Yeah. Hold on, he wants to talk to you. Hold on. Say hello. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Can you say hi? Talk to Daddy. Connor, talk to Daddy. No, don't put that. No, talk to Daddy.
Well.
Say hi.
Okay.
Okay, can I talk to Daddy?